I'm sorry, folks. I got some bad news. You're going to need a new water heater. It's going to be about $1,400 before labor costs.
We can't pay for that. Sir, how about this? In exchange for your services, may I offer you a hand job?
Ma'am, that's not... No, that's-
Caucus, please. Baby, caucus.
Excuse us.
One second, one moment. You can't give this man a hand job.
Do you have $1,400 to pay him? I don't think so. Maybe if you had a job, we wouldn't be in this
Oh, here we
mess.
go again. You know I can't work. I got scoliosis.
I am so sick of hearing about scoliosis. You don't have scoliosis,
How you gonna
Marcus.
tell me about my symptoms of scoliosis? You are not a doctor.
And neither is WebMD.
Oh, what do you think the MD and WebMD stands for then? Medical doctor. Besides, my cousin Roscoe said WebMD told him he had cancer, and then boom, 6 months later he was dead.
Roscoe was killed by a train, fool.
Oh, so now I'm a fool?
Yes.
You know what? I'm gonna say it. Should have married a white girl.
Oh,
there
here
it
we
is.
go again.
There it is. I said it. There it is.
Don't go there,
Oh,
Marcus.
I'll go there. She would be so amazing. I let her give all the neighbors a blowjob. All the neighbors would get a blowjob. Everybody. They would come from far and wide. Hey, what's up, Rodney? How you doing, brother? Yeah. They come from far and wide to tell me how amazing my wife's blowjobs are.
So
far
you
and
trying
wide,
to tell
Gina.
me I don't give good blowjobs?
I didn't say that.
You might as well.
Listen, there's just some areas of opportunity I think you can focus on. That's
Oh,
all.
so this is a performance review?
Look, that ain't the point. Besides, you are not giving this man a hand job. Have you seen this man? Have you heard his voice? His voice is so deep, he's got to have at least 9 inches in his pants. So? I'm not going to have you go and wrestle that python and then come back to me.
We need a water heater, Marcus.
Fine. I volunteer as tribute. I will give him the hand job. Fine.
No.
Excuse me, sir. Per our conversation, I will be administering the hand job in place of my wife.
No, I would not be comfortable with that at all.
Oh, but he was okay when I was going to
No,
do
I
that.
wasn't.
I remember. Sir, you are a homophobe.
No.
No, I'm so sick of this. There's racist homophobia in the black community. You know what? This is the 1990s.
Wait, no.
Okay? You shouldn't be acting like this. We've come a long way. Get out of my house.
Be gone.
Get out.
Out.
We don't have
Now, do you
time
hear my husband?
for
Get
your
out.
racist homophobia, man. I'm so sick.
Baby, calm down. They're just ignorant.
people get on my
They're just
nerves.
ignorant. Calm down. It's all right. He's leaving. It's all right.
You're right, baby. Want some shrimp, baby?
Of course, you know I want some shrimp.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Get us some shrimp. Come on, girl.
Hey there! Thank you for watching the We the People Comedy channel. If you like what you see, subscribe, hit the button below. What took you so long? Share the link, watch the videos. You make me sick!